One welder won't change the world, but he will spark the brain of the welders who will change the world. What's going on, family? I just wanted to come to you this morning and talk to you about something that was on my mind. One of my favorite artists, Tupac Shakur, he made a statement that he may not change the world with his movement, but he will spark the brain of someone or some artist that will. And if you look at it today, many artists who are existing that we like, that we listen to on the radio, who you might have their downloads or whatnot, they respected him. They respected other artists that did something outside of the box, no matter how they got there with their art or with their calling. And me personally, with my welding and hip hop concept, the hashtag, it was created to catch the attention of those who enjoy hip hop, who wanted to get into it independently, didn't know how, needed some finances to get in it, wanted some lessons. So I designed this to give them some encouragement, to show them that they can actually kill a few birds in one stone by learning welding. They can be financially stable, having a trade, that they can actually use that money to build whatever else they want to build. Welding can just be their money, their cash cow, so to speak, what you can use just to get the money to build your other businesses. That's the goal. You might not just stay in one field. And I won't say no man should just be in one place. You should have many different business ventures and investments, but you need something to get you there. All of us are not born into money. All of our families wasn't born into money. Most of our African Americans, our black males, we was born into poverty or born into single family households. So we've been struggling since day one. And a lot of us, we are from where we're from because we was born there, because our families had to live there. My color is blue because I was born in a blue hood. That's what it is. If I was born in an orange hood or a red hood, that's what my favorite color would be. You know what I mean? So the reality of it is, I don't knock you for who you are. You still my brother. I don't care what flag you carry. We still black man. And we still need to come together. We still can be best friends. We still can start a movement and come together and still represent where we come from and change those from where we come from when we come together. You see what I'm saying? So it might not be my purpose to wake people up, but I feel like my purpose is to be that light that'll spark the brain and say, hey, you can be independent. You can learn something different. You don't have to do it the way the system told you you had to do it. You don't need a GED or high school diploma. You don't have to get in debt. You don't have to go to college. You can learn this thing independently, but you have to change your mind frame and how you think. And that's why I say that I want to spark the brain of someone, literally. That was a statement that I embraced from Tupac, but it is something that I have grown into believing that this is who I am. I don't call myself an OG. You call me an OG. And I embrace the title, and I'm giving you information. But I don't go around boasting saying this is who I am. Oh, this is not. I'm me. I'm going to lead by example. I'm going to get it how I live. I'm going to get my hog on, And in doing so, I'm going to pass out some jewels. And hopefully that you can use them to take your life to the next level. One person, and that one person might help 1,000. And that 1,000 might help 1,000,000. And that 1,000,000 might help 1,000,000,000. That's how we got to do it. But we got to start from somewhere. And this is where I'm starting at with welding and hip hop. Black Phoenix. Hold on.